Hey, take a look at this one. Another Challenger in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1970 Dodge Challenger. 440 Magnum underneath the hood. It's a little bit of a resto mod, I would call this. It's got fuel injection system on it. Power steering, power brakes, and vintage AC. So this thing's actually set up to drive, be comfortable in it, and still have the horsepower and all the goodies that you would have had in a Challenger RT in 1970. See the orange paint on it. Very, very nice shape. Hood pins. Not a lot of scratches, dings, or nicks in this one. Paint has a nice luster to it. Vinyl top's in nice shape. Interior looks pretty much original. Does have a rebuilt 440 and automatic transmission. Was built at the same time. See, it's still riding on the rally style wheels that it would have came with. 1970 from Dodge. We'll fire it up a little bit. See, in here it also, let's take a look at the interior. See the stock looking vinyl seats. Shifter on the floor, center console, dash is in nice shape. Has had an aftermarket stereo put in it. Got a punch subwoofer in the trunk. You can check all the still pictures out if you want to see underneath the hood. Check out that trunk, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look down the side of this, see how straight this car is. Again, not a bunch of door dings, scratch, nicks, or anything like this. It's a car that you can show, cruise on weekends, take to your local roll-ins. Pretty much a very versatile all-around car, especially set up with that power steering, power brakes, vintage air. We can be reached also, 507-386-1726. If you'd like to get a hold of us. Discuss the possibilities of transportation, maybe the location on this vehicle. Again, you want to check out the interior, under the hood. Those still pictures can be all seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Slip around over here to the driver's side. Let's check out the interior of this. Factory buzzer still works. Door cards all appear to be factory. Carpeting, decent shape. Vinyl seats. Let's go ahead and fire this up and see how this car runs. Again, it's fuel injected, so I'm not going to pump anything. I'm just going to turn the key. There you go. 440 comes to life. Aftermarket stereo system. Gets a little dark in here, the vents for the AC. Slip around to the back of this, you can hear it run. Nice little rumble out of that V8. See how nicely the door closes. Healthy engine. Again, the tranny and the 440 were rebuilt. They don't have a lot of miles on them. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video thing, pop those hood things out and take a look underneath the hood split too. Alright, there we go. Hood pop, you can see aluminum radiator. The AC unit underneath here. Take your hood scoop. Hooker headers underneath there. Power brakes. Power steering, CFI control unit. See how nice and clean and tidy it is underneath there. Nice looking Mopar. Again, feel free to call us at 507-386-1726. And of course, those still pictures, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com.